Please like, share and subscribe and show your support. 71. What is the purpose of the System Definition module? A. Manage system configurations and definitions. B. Create new workflows. C. Automate catalog item requests. D. Define user roles. Answer. A. Manage system configurations and definitions. 72. Which feature in Servicenow allows you to set up system-wide properties and configurations? A. System properties. B. Form designer. C. Workflow editor. D. Business rules. Answer. A. System properties. 73. How can you back up data in Servicenow? A. Use the data export feature. B. Create a new business rule. C. Define a UI policy. D. Configure a workflow. Answer. A. Use the data export feature. 74. What does the Upgrade History module in Servicenow provide? A. Details about past system upgrades and changes. B. Information about user roles and permissions. C. A log of catalog item requests. D. Reports on incident management. Answer. A. Details about past system upgrades and changes. 75. What is the purpose of the system logs in Servicenow? A. Track and troubleshoot system errors and events. B. Create new data import schedules. C. Manage user roles. D. Configure UI policies. Answer. A. Track and troubleshoot system errors and events. 76. What does the Performance Analytics feature in Servicenow allow you to do? A. Monitor and analyze performance metrics and trends. B. Manage user roles and permissions. C. Automate workflow processes. D. Define new catalog items. Answer. A. Monitor and analyze performance metrics and trends. 77. Which tool can be used to create performance indicators in Servicenow? A. Performance Analytics. B. Workflow Editor. C. Data Import Set. D. Service Catalog. Answer. A. Performance Analytics. 78. How can you monitor system performance and health in Servicenow? A. By using performance analytics and system logs. B. By configuring UI policies. C. By defining business rules. D. By creating new catalog items. Answer. A. By using performance analytics and system logs. 79. What is the purpose of the System Diagnostics feature? A. Troubleshoot and analyze system performance issues. B. Define new roles and permissions. C. Create and manage workflows. D. Design new forms and fields. Answer. A. Troubleshoot and analyze system performance issues. 80. What can you configure in the Servicenow system log? A. Monitor and view system events and errors. B. Manage user access and roles. C. Define catalog items. D. Automate data imports. Answer. A. Monitor and view system events and errors. 81. What is the role of update sets in Servicenow? A. Capture and move customizations and changes between instances. B. Automate background tasks. C. Define new user roles. D. Manage data imports. Answer. A. Capture and move customizations and changes between instances. 82. How can you create a new update set in Servicenow? A. Through the Update Sets module. B. By defining a new business rule. C. Using the Workflow Editor. D. configuring a UI policy? Answer. A. Through the Update Sets module. 83. What is the purpose of the Servicenow scoped applications? A. Provide a way to develop and manage custom applications within their own scope. B. Automate incident management. C. Define user permissions. D. Create new catalog items. Answer. A. Provide a way to develop and manage custom applications within their own scope. 84. How can you test changes in Servicenow before applying them to the production instance? A. Use a development or test instance to validate changes. B. Create a new business rule. C. Define a UI policy. D. Schedule a data import. Answer. A. Use a development or test instance to validate changes. 85. What is the purpose of the application repository? A. Store and manage custom applications and updates. B. Define user roles and permissions. C. Track incidents and changes. D. Automate catalog item requests. Answer. A. Store and manage custom applications and updates. 86. What is a script include used for in Servicenow? A. Define reusable server-side JavaScript code. B. Customize form views. C. Create new catalog items. D. Manage user roles. Answer. A. Define reusable server-side JavaScript code. 87. Which tool allows you to create and modify client-side scripts in Servicenow? A. Script editor. B. Workflow editor. C. Form designer. D. Business rule editor. Answer. A. Script editor. 88. What is a client script used for in Servicenow? A. Run JavaScript code on the client-side browser to manipulate form behavior. B. Define server-side business logic. C. Create and manage workflows. D. Automate data imports. Answer. A. Run JavaScript code on the client-side browser to manipulate form behavior. 89. What is a business rule in Servicenow? A. Define server-side logic to be executed on database operations. B. Create new catalog items. C. Manage user roles and permissions. D. Design new forms. Answer. A. Define server-side logic to be executed on database operations. 90. How can you create a new UI policy in Servicenow? A. Through the UI Policies module. B. By defining a new business rule. C. Using the workflow editor. D. In the form designer. Answer. A. Through the UI Policies module. Please do like, share and subscribe.